Floating along down the Y. Absolutely stunning day today. Really clear. Not too hot. Not yet anyway, but I think it's going to be a scorcher later. Clint's just in front of me. Just watched a fish jump out of the water. We're just about to approach some rapids now. So this should be fun because there's not a lot of water in the river at the moment. So we've been grounding out quite a lot. Probably going to get stuck here. In a bit. Well, it's pretty shallow. I'm having a wade. Keep getting grounded out. We're going to stop for a little break now because we've been going at it for sort of 5 hours, so it's time for a bit of a rest. With some lunch and a brew. Just waiting on Clint to catch me up, and probably take half an hour here, chill out for a bit, and then crack on. Plenty of time until we've got to meet Bill, so nice and relaxed. Weather's still great. Wind's been a bit of a shit, but it's not too bad.
Right, so I've just met up with Aaron. Guys,
Yeah.
you just go, I'll just relax and chill as usual. That's it. It's a nice kind of... That's it. It's always cool. What are you worrying about? You're steering, ain't you?
You're just about.
So you've had a good day then so far?
Yeah, it's been alright. It's been hard work, but it's been good.
Yeah.
What about here? Anywhere, mate, I don't mind.
There's a flat over there.
Yeah, it's decent enough, isn't it?
In the situation. Boop, 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 boop. This one's more of a, it might not look very good, but it will taste good.
Peculiar place to have a party.
All packed up.
Right, so that's end of night one. We did 30k yesterday. Only went about another kilometre downstream and then sort of pitched up camp here last night. Ready to go. Another day on the river, see how far we get. I think we're going through Hereford anyway next, so check in there. As always, no trace left. Cleaned up all our shit, took all our rubbish.
Ready, kid?
Alright.
Alright, Clint. Clint, alright?
Yeah. He's just chilling behind us.
Alright, son. Right, I only joined Aaron last night. But he'd done roughly, what was it, 30k yesterday?
Yeah, 30k.
So him and Clint done 30k yesterday. I joined them roughly about 7:30.
Yeah.
After trying to find the car park that I was sent to, which was a private house. Yeah, you can laugh all you like. But yeah, we're just in for a nice down the river. Did a nice little cave with them last night and jumped in the hammocks. Now we're just going to chill out. I'm going to go through Hereford in a bit. A few more miles yet, but yeah, it's relaxing.
Staying away from predators. And we're worrying about bills.
Yep. Now we need to go far right. Yeah, to the left of it, yeah? Left? Left. Yeah. Safety rags.
Old entrances and bust up bridges.
Eggs and 2 beef patties. What'd you have for lunch, Clint?
Macaroni, cheese and meatballs.
Phil? What'd you have for lunch?
Dirty scoff.
Nice. Oh, Sealant coffee. Nom nom.
Right, it's getting hot now. It's 24 degrees. 24 degrees? And we're about an hour away from Hereford. Alan's just finishing out sorting the canoe out. And Clint's going to make a little bit of a head start on us. But it's hot, man. It's really hot.
Our lunch, mine was awesome, absolutely stuffed now. We're just going to make the rest of the way into Hereford. I think Clint wants to stop at the shops and get something to eat. Or maybe some fags, probably some fags actually. The weather is just absolutely scorching today.
I tell you, so look at this, you'd be mistaken with thinking we were abroad or something, wouldn't you? You know what I mean?
Southern Spain.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It is nice.
How you feeling?
Living a dream.
just coming.
Shoulders though.
We're just coming up to Hereford Bridge now. So, we're the first bridge into Hereford via the river. Clint's a little bit back there, and we're just chilling. That must be nice up there.
Yes, Cloudo.
Yeah.